Get acquainted with the 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Looking for quality, convenience, and versatility? Here's a sporty Elantra GT, the compact hatchback that gives you a smooth, quiet ride, touchscreen infotainment, impressive fuel economy, advanced safety features, a flexible interior, and sleek, sophisticated styling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, premium sound system, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control. Convenience blends seamlessly with comfort in this sleek and efficient Elantra GT. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.